Hi friends, we have a beautiful day out here. This is our 2019 Chevy Express passenger van. If you watch our channel, you know that we use this van to tow our little 6x12 we-roll cargo camper conversion all over North America for our various camping adventures. It's a beast of a vehicle, but we love to use it to tow our little camper because we can take the seats out and store our bicycles and other things in the bag. So it's worked really well for us. Anyway,
I've got a little trip lined up to help a friend move up in Pennsylvania, about 600 miles north of me. So I thought I'd do a quick no-build conversion so that I could camp in the van while I was up there.
the first thing I did, of course, was pull the seats out.
The bed of the van itself is quite roomy, as you can see. I laid a full 8x4 sheet of 3/8 plywood down on the floor and covered it with a carpet remnant, which I usually have in the back of the van. On top of that, I placed the very comfortable mattress from my bed in the camper in here. That way I know that I am assured of a good night's sleep.
Next, I did have a couple of sheets of Reflectix in the garage left over, and I cut those and just pressed them in the windows, and they hold fine. For the rest of the windows, I didn't have any Reflectix, although I think maybe cardboard would have worked well too, but I didn't have any of that. So I did do a little bit of drilling and
sunk a few screws as anchors for paracord line across the back door windows and the side windows. I will use lightweight towels to cover the glass at night, and they'll be held in place with clothespins. Probably won't block any light coming out of the van, but it'll block light coming in and nobody will be able to see me.
now this box here that I've got strapped down holds various tools, and it kind of stays in the van to begin with, but I've got my window coverings in there with my tools. Then for the windshield, I've got a windshield shade that'll go up. You know, the cool thing about this vehicle, and many, you can just lay a blanket across the top of your seats to kind of block that out if you need to do that. I'll carry a small cooler. I'll show you more up front here. Oh, also I built some front window coverings out of some screen I had left over. And these will cover my front windows with being held in place with magnets. Now, it's going to be comfortable at night. The week I'm up there, lows are going to be in the 50s and 60s, so I'm not looking at having to sleep with the windows wide open like you would later in the summer. So I probably won't even use these. However, I'll show you what they look like on there. Easy peasy. It's just screen cut to fit, and then I went ahead and did a border of duct tape that I actually ironed down with a steam iron and a towel to make it stick to itself. That way the ends won't fray and the magnets hold well. So looking forward to trying that out. If I do more warm weather stealth camping in it, I will make a screen for the back door also. I also have a small beach chair in here that I can set up if I need to sit in here. Headlamp. Quick and easy, ready to go, stealthy. Don't have to stay in a hotel room. Saved me a lot of money over a week. And should be able to do some good driveway camping. Thanks for watching. And if you are curious about our little We Roll camper cargo conversion trailer, or any of our trips, like our big Alaska and Arctic Ocean camping trip, check out our channel. We'd be glad to have you watch the videos. Thanks again for watching. We appreciate any comments or feedback.